Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to find your Trello API key or personal token by following our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you are integrating Trello with a third-party app or performing custom development, this step-by-step walkthrough will lead you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to trello.com/powerups/admin. This dashboard is where you manage your Trello Power UPS. You will see a section for Power UPS located under the Apps category. You need to be in this area to start building a new integration. Once you have accessed this section, click on the New button to begin the creation process. You should now provide a name for your Power-Up or integration. Choose a name that clearly describes what your tool will do. After naming it, the next vital step is picking a workspace. Selecting the appropriate workspace helps you define the boundaries for your Power-Up, making it much easier to handle permissions and maintain security. Next, enter your email address, which serves as a contact point for important notifications. You are also required to provide a support contact for the person or team who will manage any technical issues. Finally, enter the author's name to ensure there is clear accountability for the project. With all the information provided, click Create to finish the setup and move toward generating your credentials. To proceed, click Generate a new API key, and then click Generate API key once more. After it appears, be sure to copy the API key to a secure spot. This key is essential for giving your integration the permissions it needs to function. Once the key is saved, click on the token link. You will be sent to a new screen where you must click Allow to grant the necessary access. Finally, your token will be displayed. Just like your API key, ensure you store this token safely for future authentication. That is everything you need to know to find your Trello API key and personal token. Remember to keep both secure to protect your account. Thanks for watching.